Come on, let's get in here. Oh, look in there. Beautiful, beautiful leftovers. On there, a little bit of gravy. Oh, that looks a bit special. Come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a Christmas leftover hand pie special. It's a Christmas special, and when I say Christmas special, we're doing a recipe, but I would like to wish everybody that celebrates Christmas a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for being part of the channel all year. It really has helped having the two-way conversations on the comments and everything. And I'd also like to say thank you for the Patreons and all the people who buy a coffee. It all goes in to making this. Every penny goes in here, guaranteed. So that is a big thank you to everyone. Right, let's crack on with the recipe. Leftover turkey or use chicken, up to you. Cranberry sauce, we've got some cream cheese, we've got some stuffing, mustard and some butter, and we're using ready-made puff pastry. Everybody can make this, okay? Right, what we're going to do is, before we get on with the turkey, you make a decision. Do you want to use English mustard, Dijon mustard? Wherever you are, up to you. I'm going to go for English today. I was going to do Dijon, but I'm going to go for English. And we are going to add that to the cream cheese. In it goes. And we're going to give that a mix up. So let's just give that a little mix in there. That should loosen it a little bit. And we're going to add that to the chicken. I'm going to put a little bit of that cranberry in there actually. Come on. Let's bring it all in, eh? We're on it. Come on. Okay. We got some melted butter in there. Oh, now we're talking. It's loosened it all up, look. Oh, okay, look at that. Okay, bring in our turkey. I'll use chicken. That lot in there. Cranberry sauce in there. Little bring in. Look at that. Fabulous. In there with some stuffing. Gotta get that in there, haven't we? In with a pinch of thyme. You don't have to go too much. Now you can use fresh parsley. You can do anything you want. Up to you. In there, a little bit of black pepper. Salt to taste. In there with a little bit of cheddar. Going to give it that little cheesy inside and we'll make it a bit gooey. Give it a mix up. Come on. And that's our filling. That looks incredible. That looks, it's sensational. Oven on at about 180. Oven on at 180. Cut your pastry 4.5 by 5 or whatever, entirely up to you. You know. Make a big roll, it doesn't matter. Come on, get a good dollop in there. That might be too much, but we'll see in a minute. In there, come on. Don't be frightened of packing it on. Now all you got to do, as you've seen, is leave a border. Give it that border on there. because that's where we want to stick the pastry lid, obviously. Come on. Okay, we've overfilled it. It's Christmas, come on. Right, what you need to do now is take your pastry and your lid, your lid that's going on there, and you put a couple of slits in there. I've shown you before, but basically what you're doing, you're making it so you can open it up. So, on there, put that on there. Stretch it over. Squash it down, and then we'll squash it down with a fork in a minute. Look at that, absolutely sensational. So on with another one. Some slits in there, nice and steady. Open it up and put it on there. Come on. So just carry on with the rest of them, nice and steady. Just put those slits in there. On we go, nice and steady. Open them up. Open it up like that. Don't matter if you get some coming through slightly and a bit of crusty turkey and stuffing. Oh, delicious. Come on. And for everybody who heard all the cat noises, here's a happy Christmas from Tony. There you go. What about that tone? Are we having those? No? Come on then. Let's go. Are we going? Come on, off you go. Go on. Noisy. Right, what we need to do is egg wash. We're going to egg wash that, and we're going to sprinkle some sesame over, and we're going to whack it in the oven. It's as easy as that. Come on here. Oh, there's some goodness in these pies. Come on, look at these for hand pies. They look sensational. I'm really looking forward to them coming out of the oven. Oh. There you go. That was a bit quick slapping that on there, wasn't it? But there you go. Over there with a few sesame seeds, just to make it look a bit posh. Okay, let's get that in the oven. Straight in the oven, about 22 minutes. Come on. Okay, when you've had your time. Oh, look here. Come on. Oh, look at those. That's our Christmas leftover hand pies or pasties, whatever you know them by. Sensational. So just let them have about 5 minutes and then we're in. Oh yeah. Come on, we got to get one of these on here. Oh yeah. Oh, beautiful underneath. Look at that. Oh, that is something special. Oh yeah. Come on, let's get in here. Come on. Oh, look in there. Oh, There you have it. Beautiful, beautiful leftovers. Look at those. Oh yeah. Oh, that is sensational. On there, a little bit of gravy. Some might not like it. Oh, that looks a bit special. Come on. Oh, come on, here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Oh, it's absolutely steaming. Oh dear. Oh, oh, give me this rather than a Christmas dinner. It's absolutely sensational. In here. Oh, look at that. Come on. Bit of turkey. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. We got stuffing, we got the turkey, we got the pastry, we got the seasoning. Oh, we got the cranberry, we got that puff pastry, and we've just had a drizzle of gravy. Oh. And obviously it's got the mustard in there, the cream cheese is in there. Oh, and we've got a little bit of cheddar in there. It's sensational. It is off the charts. That is one to make. There you go. That is a simple how to use up your leftovers. In fact, you don't even have to have leftovers. Go get a chicken, cook it, make it. It's that easy. There you go. That is my Christmas special. Wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll be here every day as per usual. For all those who, and for all those who celebrate Christmas, have a wonderful time. Thank you for your company all year. Really appreciate it. It's been a fantastic year. We've gone up on subscribers. It's been sensational. Love the conversations. Thank you to my Patreons. Thank you to everybody that's bought me a coffee. Unbelievable. I'm just so grateful. Thank you very much. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. Happy Christmas. Oh yeah.